Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we are here test driving stock number D20891. It's an awesome running Toyota. This is the 3FGH15 model. It's a 3,000 pound capacity pneumatic tire. It's equipped with the 130-inch max lift height 2-stage. Great running LP gas Toyota engine. It's got solid pneumatic tires, never get a flat. 42-inch pallet forks, nice and tall and wide LBR. A recent tune-up, plus recent work and repairs. Wade's going to do a demonstration. Plus a brand new paint job. Service ready to go to work. You can check out this forklift or any other forklift at either store in Denver or Fort Collins, or online at abetterforklift.com. We appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.